and welcome to this channel. What I want to tell you today is a software that can generate video through text. It is said that the effect of this software can also be compared with Sora. The key point is that it can not only be used online, it can also be installed locally. So what you see is the official website address of StreamingT2V, and this official website called Text2Video-Zero. This page can be used online. There are multiple tabs here. You can use the default tab. This place, there are many large models to choose from to generate the video you want. You can also keep the default settings. What about this place? You can enter the prompt words that you want to generate video. We are going to generate a video like this. It's just a puppy swimming. We try to input English. Enter your own prompt. Then click the Run button below. And then what? It starts to work. Because many people may be using it, it may take a long time. Everybody wait patiently. Then he finally generated it. We can have a look. He generated a total of 6 seconds of video. We click this button to play. We can see this puppy swimming in the water at present. The color of the puppy's hair is very real. Then you click on this place next. You can see its code. You pull down this place. You can see about this Text2Video-Zero related videos of. Take a closer look. Other effects about Text2Video. For example, people ski in high mountains. Panda is playing guitar. The horse is running. The bear is performing. People ride bicycles in the desert. And pandas are surfing and skateboarding. There are also astronauts walking on the moon. And about this Text2Video-Zero, other information about. You can take a closer look at it yourself. And the same. You enter this URL in the browser. This StreamingT2V. Such a video can also be generated. These are screenshots of some of its video examples. If you want to install locally, we need the code for StreamingT2V. You can enter this website. Let me tell you first, to start the program completely, need a very high-level graphics card. Then pull down. So this place, you can see its basic installation environment. It needs to install Python 3.10.0, and you need to install Coda software. The version of CUDA should be greater than等于 11.6. Install this software first, Python 3.10.0. Click to install it yourself. What about for some reason? My computer has version 3.10.6 installed. So if you have a computer, there are multiple Python versions of. You can open cmd. Then type where Python. He'll list all Python versions installed on your computer. This Python version of my computer is 3.10.6. What about this? It's 3.11.7. The second software to install is CUDA. Because many local installers of software both need Coda, I suggest you install this Coda 11.8. So what about everyone? You can download it according to your own computer. For example, Windows 11 system. Just choose this exe, local. Then click this download button. You also need to install the third software. It's called Git. You can download the latest version. Carry out installation. What's next is to install locally this StreamingT2V code. Customize an installation path first. For example, I installed it in this place. Then copy this installation path. Open your CMD. Then switch to this installation path. Go back to this official website page. Click the code copy URL button. Then return to the CMD panel. Enter git clone. Then paste this code address. Use get. Install the code of this StreamingT2V locally. At this time, we install the path locally. You will see the root directory StreamingT2V. At present, its size is 60.7 MB. We can enter cd StreamingT2V. You can switch to the root directory. The folder is here. Next, we need to install the fourth software, Anaconda. Click the free download button. Everyone enters their email address. You can download it. Install it yourself. For example, I installed in this path. What about its size? It is about 9.09 GB. What about after installation? Turn on the computer's environment variables. Find this path to edit. You have to put its root directory and the script folder under the root directory. Add two environment variables. Next, you can return to the CMD panel. Enter this line of command. This conda is related to this Anaconda software. We're going to use Python 3月10日 to create a virtual environment. The name of this virtual environment is StreamingT2V. If you installed Python 3.10.0, you enter 3.10 here. Because I installed Python 3.10.6, so I'm here. Change it to 3.10.6. Then it's finished now. It will tell you, use this line of command. You can start this virtual environment of StreamingT2V. When you use this conda command, after creating the virtual environment, you can find it here on the computer. Root directory of virtual environment. This place is the name of your own computer. Its file size is 122 MB. Then use this line to start the virtual environment. At this time, you can open the root directory of StreamingT2V. There is a file like this under it. Open it. It describes all about components required to run StreamingT2V. You can return to the CMD interface. Enter this line to install. What about this time? Indicates that all components are installed. You can have a look at the size of this folder. This virtual environment directory has reached 3月11日 GB. Next, you need to install the fifth software, Fempeg. You can use the CMD interface. Enter this line to install. If during the installation process, you find this program stuck there all the time, you can press Ctrl+C on the keyboard to exit. Interrupt this program. Then you can also enter the following command to install. What has been installed can also be updated. At this time, Fempeg was finally installed. The size of this virtual environment directory has reached 3.35 GB. You can enter this line of command. Check the version of Fempeg. Next step, we need to download this big model of StreamingT2V. We can enter this URL in the browser. Then pull down. Find this place. Click this HF button. Come to this Hugging Face page. Then click the Files and Versions tab. You'll see a file like this. This is his big model. We click Download. Click this download link. What about after downloading? You can open the root directory of StreamingT2V, then open this TRV enhanced folder. Then at the bottom of this folder, create a new folder. Change the file name to Checkpoints. Then open it. Then download this big model file. Move to the bottom of this folder. Next, return to the CMD interface. Enter this line of command. Switch to the folder TRV Enhanced. This inference.py file. You can generate movies from text. So what kind of film are we going to produce? Let's enter this line of text. A puppy is swimming. Return to CMD interface. Enter a command like this. We use such hints to generate a movie. The content is that a puppy is swimming. But, at this time, you can pause the operation. Is this program going to run locally? Need you to have a powerful graphics card. So what exactly does he want? You can go back to this website. In official website is where the program code is downloaded. Then pull down. Hey, in this place, there is a description of the requirements for the computer's graphics card. Everyone can switch to the language you are used to run the program. You need an N card with 80 GB of video memory. Take A100 graphics card as an example. What are his basic standards for running? Can achieve A24 frame image. The running time is about 40 seconds. So if everyone has the ability, I bought such a graphics card. I suggest you use this command to start the program. So far, there are many websites on the internet that generate movies by text, but the source code of this kind of open source text-to-video still relatively few. So this program is quite precious, so everyone can learn the process of local installation. So today, about how to use Text2Video-Zero online and try to install StreamingT2V locally. That's it for now. If you like what I explained, you can like to subscribe to this channel. I will also bring more computers and AI technology related knowledge is shared with everyone. Thank you all.